Thank you for choosing Steel Warehouse to fulfill your sheet and slit coil needs. We offer a variety of dimensions along with economical standard packaging, with lengths from 15 inches to 240 inches, thicknesses from 6/1000ths of an inch to 1 inch, and widths from 20 inches to 86 inches. All of our standard packaging is secured with 2mm VCI, environmentally safe, recyclable shrink wrap. We thank our customers that worked with us to make a safer and recyclable securement method that excludes the hazards of lacerations and traditional banding. Our standard packaging includes either 2x4 or 4x4 cross-blocking with our patented micro-groove corrosion-resistant lumber. It is safe, recyclable, and prevents board rust. Along with a consistently flat sheet, Steel Warehouse prides itself on a professional package. Our engineered film protects the entire lift from the outside. Volatile corrosion inhibitors from the film migrate to all recessed areas and form a thin monomolecular protective layer at the metal surface. This far outperforms a paper package in long-term protection. Unlike paper or metal banding, no safety precautions exist. It's easy and safe to remove and environmentally friendly. It reduces the volume of waste compared to paper and steel banding. Once the film is removed, simply bundle, compact, and throw it away in regular trash without the need for material segregation. The Steel Warehouse engineered package addresses customer needs today and for our future. Clean, easy, and safe to remove. And best of all, it offers a greater level of protection. For the best in quality and safety, order from Steel Warehouse, the trusted solution.